It's story time!
The Insects and the Ill Girl. Letter I story. This is Ivana. Ivana was really excited to go and search for insects. But she was ill and couldn't go. Her science teacher was going to help the students to search for their favorite insects. The students went to the forest and started to look for their favorite insect. After finishing collecting their favorite insect, one of Ivana's friends visited her and gave her the insect she wanted.
Repeat after me. E, 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 ill, ill. E, 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 insect, insect.